Hello, good morning, students. I hope you all are very good. So, today we will continue with our chapter 5. Okay, so today's topic is printing a document. Okay, this is the last topic of our chapter 5. Okay. Printing a document. So we will learn how to print a document. Okay. So first step to print a document is to print a document. Click on the file tab. Okay. किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट को प्रिंट करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको फाइल टैब पर क्लिक करना है, जो कि यहाँ पर शो हो रहा है. So first of all you have to click on the file tab which is shown in figure 5.6. Okay, when you will click on the file tab, so many options will be displayed on your screen. Okay, so you have to select the print option from these options. Okay, a drop down menu will display on your screen and then you have to select the print option. Okay, you would see the preview of your document on the right side of the backstage view. Okay, you can see here the document, whatever the document you have given the print of that, you can see the प्रीव्यू. दैट मीन्स जो डॉक्यूमेंट आपका प्रिंट दे रहे हो आप उसको प्रिंट आपका यहाँ पर शो हो जाएगा. ओके, ठीक है, यहाँ पर शो हो जाएगा. तो यू कैन चेक वेदर यू आर इट इज़ राइट और नॉट. ओके, दैट मीन्स आप सही डॉक्यूमेंट का प्रिंट दे रहे हैं या नहीं दे रहे हैं, ये आप चेक कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू हैव रिटन एन एप्लीकेशन इन your MS Word, then you want to give the print of that application, then when you will click on the print option, the document will be shown there. Okay, right side of the backstage preview. Okay, select the printer from the printer drop down menu. Okay, this is the printer drop down menu. So from here you can select the प्रिंटर. when you will click on this arrow, a drop down menu, that means नीचे एक मेन्यू डिस्प्ले होगा and you can select that from there. Okay, now click on the print button in the center pane. Okay, after that click on the print button and the document will be print. Okay, so this is the chapter 5. Okay, now the shortcut key to print a document is Ctrl+P. That means if you don't want to follow this long procedure to print a document, then you can directly give a shortcut key. You can press the shortcut key of the document. Okay, you can give the shortcut key Ctrl+P after selecting the document, so the document will be printed. Okay, so we have learned the shortcut keys, different shortcut keys in this chapter. First, if you want to create a new document, then the shortcut key is Ctrl+N. Okay, if you want to create a shortcut key, if you want to create the new document, the shortcut key is Ctrl+N. Okay, now if you want to save the document, the shortcut key is Ctrl+S. Okay, if you want to create a shortcut key, if you want to save the document, the shortcut key is Ctrl+S. Okay, if you want to close the document, the shortcut key is Ctrl+W. Okay, and if you want to print the document, the shortcut key is Ctrl+P. Okay, now look at the recap points. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Okay, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट क्या है, वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है. दैट मीन्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में हम क्या करते हैं, वर्ड्स को लेकर काम करते हैं, इसलिए वर्ड्स की हम प्रोसेसिंग कर रहे हैं। वर्ड्स से ही हम कुछ भी बना रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं, एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हैं, तो जो भी प्रोसेसिंग, जो भी हम वर्क करेंगे वो वर्ड्स पर ही करेंगे। दैट इज़ वाई दिस इज कॉल्ड द वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर। ओके, यू कैन ऐड पिक्चर्स, टेबल्स, शेप्स, चार्ट्स इन अ डॉक्यूमेंट। आप किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट में पिक्चर, शेप्स, टेबल्स, चार्ट्स भी ऐड कर सकते हैं। For example, look at the figure in this page. This figure is added, so you can add the figure, table, shapes, charts, anything you want. Okay, you can create, open, save and print a file by selecting the file tab. As you can see that you can create, we have learned how to create. If you want to create a new document, then click on the Ctrl plus N key. If you want to save the document, press Ctrl plus S. If you want to print a document, press Ctrl plus P. Okay, to save a file, click on the file tab and select the file option. If you want to save a file, then first click on the file tab. Now you can see here is the all the options are there to save, to save as, to open, to close. Okay, to print, all the options are in the file tab. So when you will click on the file tab, select the save option. Okay, so this is the okay, so this is the our chapter 5 we have completed. Okay, tomorrow we will do the book activity, okay, of chapter 5. So that's it for today's. Okay, bye students, bye, take care, stay healthy, stay safe.